Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can update your graphic driver in Windows 11. So here, before you try to find the updates, you have to know what GPU that installed into your system. So for example, I'm using the AMD. So of course, I'm using the AMD software Adrenalin as a GPU driver. So here, in order to update your driver, the AMD driver, you have to open this like a control panel or the driver control panel, and you can check out the updates. So here, for example, the update available, my current version is 24.7.1, and the update available is a 24.9.1. so just simply click download. Now this Adrenalin driver will redirect you into the official website. So it will be like this, or you can download manually the driver. You have to go to driver and support of AMD. This is the official website. You can download by search or browse driver and support by product. For example, the graphics, click graphics and choose your Radeon. For example, this Radeon RX. Choose your product line and choose your product series and submit. Now you can download this on your operating system. So this is the AMD software Adrenalin edition 24.12.1. so you can download manually and install manually. For NVIDIA user, you can download from NVIDIA official website. Just type NVIDIA on your browser, and there's a driver here. You can manually drive search, so you can select product category, GeForce, for example, the RTX series. Choose your GPU, for example, RTX 4060 Ti, and click find. So here NVIDIA will provide you all driver, like game ready driver, studio driver, all the driver that you can download. And also there is old driver from 2024 and 2023. So it's very important, if you download manually, install manually, you have to use this DDU, display driver uninstaller. You can download, and this is the interface after you install this app. You can try to clean and restart, and you will be directly to safe mode. There you can install the driver that you downloaded before, the latest driver you downloaded before. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.